Welcome to this presentation on harnessing the methyl effect in the development of novel meta-directing template for CH cyanation. This research was conducted by Trisha Bhattacharya et al. And published in 29th January 2024. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Imagine trying to fix a tiny specific part of a complex machine, but all your tools keep hitting the wrong spots. That's often the challenge in chemistry when we want to modify molecules. Uh, Molecules are made of atoms connected by bonds, and carbon hydrogen, or CH. Bonds are everywhere. They're the backbone of most organic compounds, including medicines and materials. But they're notoriously unreactive and difficult to modify precisely. Our research tackles this fundamental problem, specifically focusing on a tricky spot called the meta position. Did you know that a staggering 80% of all new drug candidates fail during development, often due to issues with efficacy or side effects? A major reason for this is the inability to precisely control where chemical reactions happen on complex molecules, leading to unwanted byproducts or less effective compounds. Our work introduces a groundbreaking way to achieve this precision, opening doors for more effective and safer innovations. To solve this precision problem, we developed what we call a molecular GPS. Think of it like a specialized guide dog for chemical reactions. This guide dog or directing group attaches to a target molecule and leads the chemical reaction directly to the meta position, which is usually very hard to reach. The key innovation here is a tiny, seemingly simple change, adding a single methyl group to this guide dog. Imagine you have a guide dog with a flexible leash. Sometimes it wanders a bit, not always pointing exactly where you want to go. We found that by adding a small stiffening brace, that's our methyl group, to the leash, we could make the guide dog much more rigid and focused. This tiny methyl group forces our directing group into the perfect position, ensuring the reaction happens exactly at the desired meta spot every single time. We then used a palladium catalyst, a common chemical tool, to perform the actual cyanation, adding a specific chemical group once our guide dog had pointed the way. Our molecular GPS with the tiny methyl group delivered truly remarkable results. Before, with our less rigid guide, we could only achieve about 3 parts meta product for every 1 part of unwanted products. It was like hitting the target only 30% of the time. But with our new methyl enhanced guide, we achieved an astonishing breakthrough. Over 20 parts meta product for every 1 part of unwanted products. That's more than a 2-0 FOLD improvement in precision and efficiency, with yield soaring to 85%. This isn't just a small step, it's a giant leap in site selectivity. We successfully applied this method to a wide variety of molecules, including complex structures found in existing drugs like butamine and benzocaine. This means we can now precisely modify these molecules at their meta positions, something that was incredibly difficult, if not impossible to do before. This big win shows that a simple, elegant design change can have a profound impact on chemical synthesis. So, why is this level of precision so important in the real world? Imagine trying to build a complex Lego model, but you can only attach pieces to certain studs. Our research is like discovering a new type of stud that lets you attach pieces to previously inaccessible spots, opening up entirely new design possibilities. In chemistry, this means we can now create molecules with specific properties that were previously out of reach. This methyl effect isn't just a scientific curiosity, it's a powerful new tool for chemists. It allows us to perform meta-cyanation, adding a cyanide group to the meta position with unprecedented control. This capability is crucial for developing new pharmaceuticals, advanced materials, and even more effective agrochemicals. By being able to precisely modify molecules at these challenging meta positions, we can design compounds with enhanced activity, reduced side effects, or improved stability, accelerating innovation across many industries. It's about giving chemists the ultimate control over molecular architecture. How will this research impact your daily life in the next 5 years? While you won't see the specific chemical reaction happening in your kitchen, its implications are profound and will touch many aspects of your world. First, expect smarter medicines. This precision chemistry means pharmaceutical companies can design drugs with fewer side effects and greater efficacy, potentially leading to new treatments for diseases that are currently hard to tackle. Imagine a pain reliever that targets only the source of pain, or an antibiotic that's more potent against resistant bacteria. Second, anticipate advanced materials. From more durable plastics to more efficient solar cells, our ability to precisely modify molecules will lead to innovations in everyday products, making them stronger, lighter, or more sustainable. Finally, look forward to safer agriculture. New agrochemicals developed with this precision could protect crops more effectively while minimizing environmental impact. In essence, this fundamental breakthrough in controlling molecular reactions will accelerate the development cycle for countless innovations, bringing safer, more effective, and more sustainable products to market faster, directly improving your health, environment, and quality of life within the next 5 years.